What is sneezing reflex and swallowing reflex? Sneezing reflex. Sneezing is also a modified respiratory process by forced expiration. It is a protective reflex caused by irritation of nasal mucous membrane. Efferent nerve fibers from the medullary center pass via trigeminal, facial, glossopharyngeal, vagus, and intercostal nerves. These nerve fibers activate the pharyngeal, tracheal, and respiratory muscles. Swallowing reflex. Swallowing reflex is a respiratory protective reflex that prevents entrance of food particles into the air passage during swallowing. While swallowing the food, the respiration is arrested a while. Temporary arrest of respiration is called apnea. Arrest of breathing during swallowing is called swallowing apnea or deglutition apnea. Causes. Irritation of the nasal mucous membrane occurs because of dust particles, debris, mechanical obstruction of the airway, and excess fluid accumulation in the nasal passages. Mechanism. Sneezing starts with deep inspiration followed by forceful expiratory with opened glottis, resulting in expulsion of irritant agents out of the respiratory tract. Reflex pathway. Sneezing is initiated by the irritation of nasal mucous membrane. The olfactory receptors and trigeminal nerve endings present in the nasal mucosa. Afferent nerve fibers pass through the trigeminal and olfactory nerves. Sneezing center is in medulla oblongata. It is located diffusely in spinal nucleus of trigeminal nerve, nucleus solitaris, and the reticular formulation of medulla. It takes place during pharyngeal stage and prevents entry of food particles into the respiratory tract. For more videos like this, subscribe Sipak Media.